All right, we're gonna take a look at this suitcase and like overnight bag type of thing. It comes, it's 2 pieces. You have that. We just got it, but my daughter has one, so now my son has one. We're super excited. This is great for like weekend sleepovers. This comes down like that. Okay. You have, yeah, so we love it because we do like, this is like weekend, little sleepovers, weekend sleepovers. There's a zipper in the back as well. Then it has this that attaches onto the rollerboard that you can use. You can take the big strap on and off if you like. So this okay, so then you have the rollerboard. It has keys. I don't know. We've never used the lock, but this comes down very easily. This opens a nice big pocket here. Hold on, bud. Okay, you have the big pocket here. All right. And then let's see here. You have the handle. So it has the key right here. We never use that. No, but that's fine. Yeah. Okay. So you have the little straps. Hold on, bud. Okay. You have the little straps. You can take this out. So that's helpful. Okay. Yeah. All right. You have this little thing right here. Mesh. Okay. And then my assistant is with me today. Okay. That fits in there. So I do store it like this. But what I also like, hold on, is this goes very easy to use. And put this down here so it slides on. See how it slides on just like this? Very nice, very easy. And then I also can go like this to secure it. Okay, super easy to roll.